in
class
this class 4. Okay. And I am by Amitabh.
myself as the computer teacher.
Okay, we'll no time. Lesson number 7, the keyboard.
Oh, 7, the keyboard.
So in your book also it is same thing is there. Just I will explain in this PowerPoint. So first one is introduction. In your book also you will find. First one is introduction. Keyboard, like your keyboard is an input device. It is used to input the data to the computer by pressing key. The data is the text data, example alphabets, numbers, and special characters. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. When you click here, you will the result you will see on the computer, your monitor you will see. If you type here, you will see here. Whatever you type, you can see monitor. So, and keyboard has 4 keys. This is keyboard consists of various keys as what are the keyboards are there. First one is keys. Second,
Mic key বন্ধ
is function key, and fourth is arrow key. One more is there. A special key.
Hello sir, how are you? Hello sir, how are you?
Now do not talk. Started. Please don't talk now. Afterwards, I'll give you time to talk. After class, we'll discuss. Okay. So first one, we'll discuss about. We'll see details about these 5 keys are there. No, we'll see. First one. What do you see here? You can see there are what letters are there. Alphabets are there. No, alphabets. Q W E T E R T Y U I O U I O P. No, like that. Keyboard. All the keyboards here are like that. Same. First one is alphabet keys. What is alphabet key? We'll see. There are 26 alphabet keys from A to Z. These keys are used to type alphabetical text only. Only alphabet you can type. You cannot type the numbers here. No, we cannot type numbers. Only alphabets you can type. These keys are arranged on the keyboard in Q W E R T Y pattern. So this pattern you will see in your keyboard. Next is about the numbering keys. So here are numbers here 0, 1, 2, 9, and this one only here I have put in the little bigger screen 0, 1 to 9, and also here you keep this numbering keys are there. Here also 1, 2, 9, and 0. Altogether 10 are there. No, there are 10 numbering keys from 0 to 9. Okay, little this one. Are used for typing numbers. Only typing numbers, only numbers. You cannot type alphabets here. They are present on the above line of the alphabet keys. These numbering keys are also present on the right side of a keyboard. They are collectively called numbering keypad. This is numbering keypad. This is numbering keypad. They are collectively called numbering keypad. To use it, num log key should be on. When you type this numbering key number, no, this one, you have to click this one. You have to put on. You have to click one, click here. Then you can see. So this is about numbering key. Next is about
function key.
here you red color in the box. You can see no F1 to 12 are there. What is called this F1 to 12? Can anyone already have you? Okay. So we'll see. This is function keys. Function keys. The function keys are used for specific function or task. The tasks depend upon an application used. They are 12 function keys from F1 to F12 and are present on the top row of the keyboard. It will on the top of the keyboard, no? Not down. You will see on the top here, up. So this is about function key, And next is this is arrow key. Arrow still going inside. Okay. Arrow key. Okay. This is arrow key. We'll see what does arrow key does. Arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. They are used to move the cursor on the screen. There are 4 arrow keys: up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right. So the cursor can be moved up and down one line, up and down, up one time and down one time, and left and right one character at a time. This side also one time you can go, left side one time and right side one time. One click, one space you will go. So this is about arrow keys. Next you see your big long key, actually longest key in the left keyboard. You see here all are small, only this is the long, no? This is the very long key. So this is some special keys are there. There are many special keys available on the keyboard. They are first one is space bar. This is space bar. Space bar key is used to give blank space. It is the longest key on the keyboard. So if you press one space you will go. No, when you keep your cursor and click one time, it will go one space this side. So this is about special keys. Next is about backspace key. Backspace key you can see here, no? Here blue color or what color here, no? This is backspace key. What is the use of backspace key? Backspace key is used to delete a character on the left side of a cursor. When you press, suppose your cursor is here and you are pressing backspace, and then this side will be deleted, not this side. Okay. So this is about backspace key. What is the use of backspace key? The use of the backspace key is used to delete a character on the left side of a cursor. Next is about shift key. So when you click shift and A, if you shift plus A equal to A, when you click this shift and A, here it will be capital letter only, but when you click these two, you will get capital letter A. If you press shift and T, you will get capital letter T. Same in the same way, shift key can be used with numeric keys to type the symbols present on the numeric keys. Here number, above number you will see. Above number there are some symbols are there like this symbol. Down is number and up is symbolic keys. So for example, shift plus 4. Here shift plus 4, you will get this one, up one, this one you will get. So this is about shift key. So now let us watch a video and learn more about the keyboard. We will have the remaining one in the next class on September 19, 2020 at 11 o'clock. Next time we will have 11 o'clock onwards, 40 minutes only in June class. Okay. So let us see the video.
Rico, look at this keyboard. It got so many keys on it. What are all these keys?
I'm just about the different keys in the keyboard. But first, tell me for what purpose is a keyboard used for in a computer?
Well, we use the keyboard to type numbers, words, and symbols on the computer.
Correct. A keyboard has 6 different types of keys on it.
What are they, Kiko?
These are the number keys, arrow keys, alphabet keys, special character keys, function keys, and special keys.
Tell me more about them.
Sure, let's begin with the number keys. The number keys are also called numeric keys. There are total 10 numeric keys from 0 to 9. There are a total of 2 sets of numeric keys on the keyboard. The first set are in the top row of the keyboard, and the second is present on the number pad of the keyboard. All the number keys have special characters or symbols printed on them. Because these same keys are also used for other purposes.
These four at the bottom are the arrow keys. And the Kiko?
Yes, these are the arrow keys. The arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. These keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left or right.
Which arrow key is used to move the cursor up?
Here, look at the keys. This key moves the cursor up. This key moves the cursor down. This key moves the cursor to the left. And this key moves the cursor to the right. Ready? You know how many alphabets are there in English from A to Z?
I think there are 26 alphabets in English.
You are right, Ready. As there are 26 alphabets in English, so there are 26 alphabets. The alphabet keys are used to write letters or paragraphs in the computer. Look at these keys. They have special signs or symbols on them.
How can we use these keys, Kiko?
Дуже курили.
They are called kundas.
Very good question, Ravi. To use these symbols, keys, we have to press the shift key and the number key with that.
What are these keys on the very top row of the keyboard?
They are function keys. These keys are used.
Maybe because you put in gas long lady too.
प्रयास करें आप 650 से कॉल कर रहे हैं से जाने नंबर कोटा बैठे लो नंबर
Hello? Hello? Yeah, you can hear me now? So now I
Yes, sir.
I will send you today's class quiz. You have to A B C D. I'll send you now again. I'll send you. You can write down in your copy. In your computer copy, you have to write down. Okay. Question answer I'll give A, B, C, and D. And next class we'll have on 19, 11 a.m. Okay. And rest. Next class we will learn.
Leonard. Semua penangga. Pusnangga.
If you have,
Semua penangga. Punang song.
if you have any question, you can ask me now. Doubt. If you have doubt, you can ask me.
Mantang.
No doubt. Don't have doubt. Are you studying? Next, you have half yearly, okay? Next month. So you prepare well, you study well.
Let's know.
Little you study, little you study, okay?
Sungguh thang no.
Tak ada nampak.
Speaking. When I ask you to speak, you speak. Otherwise, don't talk, okay? So today, this much only we will have, no? Or you want to have more? You want to have some more? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. I want more. How many you want? 1, 2. Others don't want. Okay, I'll share again. We'll little continue. Still time we have. Little time is there, so we'll see some more. Little more. Already this is finished, no? Okay. I'll go through. We'll go fast. This also finish this, no? Yeah, actually I wanted to. Okay, this one. Enter. Still you have time to learn in Turkey. What is in Turkey? This is where red color.
Nih, biji seperti dong, aneh istilah saya.
This is in Turkey.
Mau bilang video call siapa? Signal jadi pergas dong.
So enter key is used to move the cursor to beginning of the next line. When you put enter key, this key, suppose your enter key here is your cursor. Here. Then you will go to the next page, the next line. If you press here, it will go here. Next line. Enter key is used to beginning of the next line.
왜 off 하라는 말이야? off 하라는 baştan
Anak off na bina.
Are bena sobra.
Kali biji kurang kurang berbeda nih. Pinjam ya.
To somebody raise that. Okay, now no need to raise. That time you should raise, no? I guess. So this is another one. Wait. Some problem is there. So see something doing, clicking somewhere, clicking one. So this is a delete key. Delete key. There somebody has put something. So delete key. Delete key is used to put the character on the right side of the. If you put delete key here, then this side is deleted. If you press delete key, then this side will be deleted. right side, not left side. This side will be deleted. Example, the word is Ashoka is written instead of Ashoka, small letter. To delete the last character A, move the cursor before A and press delete key once. You have to keep before here, no? If you put here and click the delete key once,
Zero.
A will be deleted. If you keep here cursor, no, delete key cursor, yeah, then this one will be removed. When you press delete key, this side will be removed. One time, one letter, two times, two letters. If you have to delete this side, you have to keep here, and this code you can delete one by one. If you want to delete from left this side, no? If you want to delete, then you have to press the backspace. This one you have to press if you want to delete from this side to here, this side. And if you want to delete from here to this side, then you have to press delete here. Now, this is the tab, tab tab, no? And here also you can see here, no, some one line like that, no? Arrow is there, down on the arrow. This arrow means when you press this one, at a time from here it will jump.
Oh, that was 11 wrong.
From here to here it will go still distance, not like a space bar. It is still long distance it will go. Something here mistake is there. Okay, tab key is used to jump the cursor to the next present tab stop. Somewhere, if you press this one, from here to still go little distance, this much. One tab will go like that. Again, you press here, it will go this. This sentence will move this side. Will move this side. Other navigation keys are there. 8 number in your book, you can see 8 other navigation keys are there. Like these are home key, up key, down key, end key. These are navigation keys. The first one is home key. Home key, it moves the cursor to the beginning of the line. When you press home key, this is home key. A to page is there, if page is here, then it will go to the what?
Yeah, that's
This one well. When you press home key, it moves the cursor to the beginning of the line. When you press beginning of the line. Are you understanding or not understanding?
Mau apa yang
This much only I will put at that.
Apa suka sih? Apa? Itu kulit hotel.